Surah, number 58, of Quran Majeed. The Pleader.
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
قد سمع الله قول التي تجادلك في زوجها وتشتكي إلى الله والله يسمع تحاوركما إن الله سميع بصير.
Allah has certainly heard the speech of her who pleads with you about her husband and complains to Allah. Allah hears the conversation between the two of you. Indeed, Allah is all-hearing, all-seeing.
الذين يظاهرون منكم من نسائهم ما هن أمهاتهم إن أمهاتهم إلا اللائي ولدنهم وإنهم ليقولون منكرا من القول وزورا وإن الله لعفو غفور.
As for those of you who repudiate their wives by zihar, they are not their mothers are only those who bore them, and indeed they utter an outrage and a lie. Indeed Allah is all excusing, all forgiving.
والذين يظاهرون من نسائهم ثم يعودون لما قالوا فتحرير رقبة من قبل أن يتماسا ذلكم توعظون به والله بما تعملون خبير.
Those who repudiate their wives by zihar and then retract what they have said, shall set free a slave before they may touch each other. This you are advised to carry out, and Allah is well aware of what you do.
فمن لم يجد فصيام شهرين متتابعين من قبل أن يتماسا فمن لم يستطع فإطعام 60 مسكينا ذلك لتؤمنوا بالله ورسوله وتلك حدود الله وَلِلْكَافِرِينَ عَذَابٌ أَلِيمٌ.
He who cannot afford to free a slave, shall fast for 2 successive months before they may touch each other. If he cannot do so, he shall feed 60 needy persons. This, that you may have faith in Allah and His Apostle. These are Allah's bounds, and there is a painful punishment for the faithless.
إن الذين يحادون الله ورسوله كبتوا كما كبت الذين من قبلهم وقد أنزلنا آيات بينات وللكافرين عذاب مهين.
Indeed, those who oppose Allah and His Apostle will be subdued just as those who passed before them were subdued. We have certainly sent down manifest signs, and there is a humiliating punishment for the faithless.
يوم يبعثهم الله جميعا فينبئهم بما عملوا أحصاه الله ونسوه والله على كل شيء شهيد.
The day when Allah will raise them all together, He will inform them about what they have done. Allah has kept account of it, while they have forgotten, and Allah is witness to all things.
ألم تر أن الله يعلم ما في السماوات وما في الأرض ما يكون من نجوى ثلاثة إلا هو رابعهم ولا خمسة إلا هو سادسهم ولا أدنى من ذلك ولا أكثر إلا هو معهم أينما كانوا ثم ينبئهم بما عملوا يوم القيامة إن الله بكل شيء عليم.
Have you not regarded that Allah knows whatever there is in the heavens and whatever there is in the earth? There does not takes place any secret talk among three, but he is their fourth companion, nor among five but he is their sixth, nor when they are less than that or more but he is with them wherever they may be. Then he will inform them about what they have done on the day of resurrection. Indeed Allah has knowledge of all things.
ألم تر إلى الذين نهوا عن النجوى ثم يعودون لما نهوا عنه ويتناجون بالإثم والعدوان ومعصية الرسول وإذا جاءوك حيوك بما لم يحيك به الله ويقولون في أنفسهم لولا يعذبنا الله بما نقول حسبهم جهنم يصلونها فبئس المصير.
Have you not regarded those who were forbidden from secret talks but again resumed what they had been forbidden from, and hold secret talks, imbued with sin and transgression and disobedience to the Apostle? And when they come to you they greet you with words with which Allah never greeted you, and they say to themselves, why does not Allah punish us for what we say? Let hell suffice them, they shall enter it, and it is an evil destination.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا تناجيتم فلا تتناجوا بالإثم والعدوان ومعصية الرسول وتناجوا بالبر والتقوى واتقوا الله الذي إليه تحشرون.
O you who have faith! When you converse secretly, do not hold private conversations, imbued with sin and aggression and disobedience to the Apostle, but converse in a spirit of piety and God-fearing, and be wary of Allah toward whom you will be gathered.
إنما النجوى من الشيطان ليحزن الذين آمنوا وليس بضارهم شيئا إلا بإذن الله وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
Indeed, malicious, secret talks are from Shaitan, that he may upset the faithful, but he cannot harm them in any way except by Allah's leave, and in Allah let all the faithful put their trust.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا قيل لكم تفسحوا في المجالس فافسحوا يفسح الله لكم وإذا قيل انشزوا فانشزوا يرفع الله الذين آمنوا منكم والذين أوتوا العلم درجات والله بما تعملون خبير.
O you who have faith! When you are told, make room, in sittings, then do make room. Allah will make room for you. And when you are told, rise up, do rise up. Allah will raise in rank those of you who have faith and those who have been given knowledge, and Allah is well aware of what you do.
يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا ناجيتم الرسول فقدموا بين يدي نجواكم صدقة ذلك خير لكم وأطهر فإن لم تجدوا فإن الله غفور رحيم.
O you who have faith! When you converse privately with the apostle, offer a charity before your private talk. That is better for you and purer. But if you cannot afford to make the offering, then Allah is indeed all forgiving, all merciful.
أأشفقتم أن تقدموا بين يدي نجواكم صدقات فإذ لم تفعلوا وتاب الله عليكم فأقيموا الصلاة وآتوا الزكاة وأطيعوا الله ورسوله والله خبير بما تعملون.
Were you dismayed by having to offer charities before your private talks? Since you did not do it, and Allah has excused you for not be able to comply, now maintain the prayer and pay the zakat, and obey Allah and His Apostle. Allah is well aware of what you do.
ألم تر إلى الذين تولوا قوما غضب الله عليهم ما هم منكم ولا منهم ويحلفون على الكذب وهم يعلمون.
Have you not regarded those who befriend a people at whom Allah is wrathful? They neither belong to you, nor to them, and they swear false oaths, that they are with you, and they know.
أعد الله لهم عذابا شديدا إنهم ساء ما كانوا يعملون.
Allah has prepared a severe punishment for them. Evil indeed is what they used to do.
اتخذوا أيمانهم جنة فصدوا عن سبيل الله فلهم عذاب مهين.
They make a shield of their oaths and bar people from the way of Allah, so there is a humiliating punishment for them.
لن تغني عنهم أموالهم ولا أولادهم من الله شيئا أولئك أصحاب النار هم فيها خالدون.
Their possessions and children will not avail them in any way against Allah. They shall be the inmates of the fire and they shall remain in it forever.
يوم يبعثهم الله جميعا فيحلفون له كما يحلفون لكم ويحسبون أنهم على شيء ألا إنهم هم الكاذبون.
The day when Allah will raise them all together, they will swear to Him, just like they swear to you, now, supposing that they stand on something. Look! They are indeed liars.
استحوذ عليهم الشيطان فأنساهم ذكر الله أولئك حزب الشيطان ألا إن حزب الشيطان هم الخاسرون.
Shaitan has prevailed upon them, so he has caused them to forget the remembrance of Allah. They are Shaitan's confederates. Look! Indeed, it is Shaitan's confederates who are the losers.
إن الذين يحادون الله ورسوله أولئك في الأذلين.
Indeed, those who oppose Allah and His Apostle, they will be among the most abased.
كتب الله لأغلبن أنا ورسلي إن الله قوي عزيز.
Allah has ordained, I shall surely prevail, I and my apostles. Indeed Allah is all strong, almighty.
لا تجد قوما يؤمنون بالله واليوم الآخر يوادون من حاد الله ورسوله ولو كانوا آباءهم أو أبناءهم أو إخوانهم أو عشيرتهم أولئك كتب في قلوبهم الإيمان وأيدهم بروح منه ويدخلهم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار خالدين فيها رضي الله عنهم ورضوا عنه أولئك حزب الله ألا إن حزب الله هم المفلحون.
You will not find a people believing in Allah and the last day endearing those who oppose Allah and His Apostle even though they were their own parents, or children, or brothers, or kinsfolk. For such, He has written faith into their hearts and strengthened them with a spirit from Him. He will admit them into gardens with streams running in them, to remain in them, forever. Allah is pleased with them, and they are pleased with Him. They are Allah's confederates. Look! The confederates of Allah are indeed felicitous.